Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, hi boo, what's good, what's poppin'? And if this is not your first time, thank you boo so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 of my favorite African YouTubers. Now hold on, these people are not my only favorite black YouTubers, right? I feel like I need to get that clear. But these people are from Africa, so I'm talking South Africa, Burundi, Cameroon. There are a lot of countries, okay? So I want to put you guys on because I don't know. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, girl. Girl, thank you. Okay, so the first on this list, now this is in no particular order because I'm not trying to stunt. But the first on this list is K-Yum.
Girl, K Kanyama, popularly known as K-Yum's darling.
Okay, K-Yum's darling. Yo, I've been watching K for probably like a year and a half, almost 2 years now. Rah, the girl is it. She's a South African YouTuber based in South Africa. And she does beauty, more lifestyle content. Yo, her vlogs are to live for. Just that girl. I love her content so much. It's very inspirational for me. I love her vlogs. I just love her personality. She's so cute, so sweet, so fun. I won't say funny, but she's very fun and I totally recommend. So the next on my list is Vivian. Okay, Rah, where do I even start? Like, anybody who is in Abuja basically knows who Vivian is. Let's start there. She's a celebrity in her own right. Okay, Vivian is a vlogger. Honestly, I feel like she's a cinematographer. Like, she is a filmmaker, because if you watch her vlogs, rah, it's not giving vlogging, it's giving Netflix presents, it's giving production. Okay, it's giving a whole team, but nah, it's just her. She puts so much effort into like her vlogs. Oh my god, it's crazy. Like, if you think, you know, regular hand-holding vlogging vlogs are not your type of vlogs and you want like high production vlogs, Vivian is your girl. Like, all these channels will be linked down below so you guys can binge them, but I'm telling you, this girl is it. Like, her content is so fire, her personality is bomb. I've been watching Vivian for close to 4 or 5 years now, and I've watched her content evolve. Those vlogs are literally, I don't know if I mentioned this, but she stays in Ohio. They come for necks and they step on heads. Another YouTuber that I love with my heart, my cute little heart, is Only Bells. Now, Only Bells is a UK based YouTuber from Burundi. What? Burundi, like, when I check Burundi on the map, it's like a little, it's so tiny. It's a very small place in Africa, like so small, and she is making waves, y'all. Like, and her content, I live for her vlogs. And also I love her makeup as well. Like, I love when she does makeup videos, chatty videos. Her personality is just on P. Like, she's so sweet, so fun, she's so cute, so pretty, and her content so fire. Like, I 100% recommend her. Alright guys, so the next person I have for you guys is Ugly Tacho. I hope I'm saying that right, but she's from Cameroon, guys. Cameroon. I'm sorry, what? First of all, when I found her, I was like, hold on. Like, first of all, she is too, oh my god, she is so beautiful. Like, she is literally a life-size Barbie. She makes a lot of fashion videos. I'll try on hauls, but honestly, I watch the try on hauls just to feed my eyes. But she has a lit personality. I love her vlogs so much. She's so girly, she's so cute. She's like, oh, she's so cute. She has lit vlogs. Like, her vlogs are so interesting. Like, girl. Okay, so the next person on my list is Lisa Onoha. Like, Lisa, girl, I don't even know what's that. I've been watching Lisa for 4 years now. Rah. Basically, one of the few people I started watching when I got into the whole content creating situation. She stays in the Netherlands, but she's Nigerian. half Nigerian, half, I don't know, Netherlands people. I don't know what they're called. But yeah, but when I started watching her, what I used to enjoy, like what she used to do, her fitness. She used to do a lot of fitness when I first started watching her. A lot of vlogs. I love vlogs. That's one thing that keeps me hooked on her channel, vlogs. I really love her vlogs. I don't so much watch her makeup unless she's doing like a get ready with me or something like that, but she has to actually talk. But besides that, you know, I like her lifestyle in general, like just everything she does. Her as a person, she's so fun, she's so open, and she's, I don't know, girl, her personality is on key. Okay, now the next person I have for you guys is Kamsi Nnamani. Like she's a Lagos based Nigerian YouTuber who stays in Lagos, hence being Lagos based. Sorry. She does beauty, self-development, and lifestyle. She has so much fun. Like I'm like, I know that there are places to turn up in this Lagos, so but child, she knows all the spots. Okay, like if you're looking for new places to try out, she goes out a lot, and every other weekend she's out, child. So if you're looking for restaurants to try, she always plugs that into her vlogs. She has a really super, I mean, she's not like super fun, like not, she doesn't have like a bubbly personality, but she's okay, you know. And I really enjoy her vlogs. I don't know, how do I put this? And I don't know, I like her demeanor. I think that's what attracts me to her. It's not because she's like super bubbly, because she's not, but she's fun as far as, you know, I know, and I feel like you will like her, child. Another person I have for you is ZxOnLine. She's a South African YouTuber based in South Africa, and this girl, oh my god, see, of all the people I've mentioned, Z has the most bubbling personality I have ever seen. She is so vibrant and she is so funny. Like she has personality for like at least 2-3 people. Like she's so interesting. All her vlogs, I mean, she could literally just be working on her computer all day and I watch it because she is so funny. Like, and she does these things in her vlogs where she reviews like you know, TV shows, reality TV and stuff like that, and I'm always keen because first of all, she introduces you to shows that you've never watched or shows you're planning to watch but don't know how they go. She reviews them every now and then, and I find that to be really interesting. If there's anything about Z, it's her personality. I love her personality so much, and I honestly feel like if you're looking for someone fun, vibrant, you know, outgoing, she's your girl. Okay, the last person on this list, this is FT. I would literally smack myself if I didn't mention FT, because what? First of all, I feel like FT is low-key stirring up changes in the YouTube industry. Hear me out. FT is one YouTuber that has normalized vlogging on your phone. I don't know if it's just me, but everyone associates YouTube with a camera. But she does have a business where you know, get this tripod that have lights and normalize vlogging on your phone. Like I love, and then that's just like one part. Her personality, her personality is so fun. FT knows how to turn the fuck up. Like, you want to have fun in Lagos, follow FT. Like, she will tell you all the spots you need to know, the spots you need to go and subscribe to FT's channel and tell me if you're not having fun. I will give you your data money back, kinda. Maybe you don't quote me, don't. Anyways guys, that's all I have. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter, turn on your post notification, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know which of these YouTubers you already follow and which ones you're looking to try now, and subscribe to my channel because I don't know if you've noticed, but I am a YouTuber too, okay? So subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe again, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.